Lid won't fit.
Oh, sheesh.
Man, we got shadows. I'm gonna do this without my microphone. Let's see what happens. See if anybody will hop on. Hop on to our live. Let's see here. Get some better light. Woo! It is hard to get good light. It's dark. There we go. Alright, I forgot to put on my microphone. I'm having trouble with it connecting to my phone and staying connected. My face is red. I need some sunscreen. So, alright, so normally I would say we are live from the Branson RV Park, but we're not in Branson anymore. Where are we?
Destin!
Destin what?
Huh? Destin Beach.
We are at Henderson State Park in Destin, Florida. Hey Jennifer. Hey Jennifer. So, haven't been able to get on because we've been traveling, and this is the first time we've traveled with these guys. Here's the cat. Hi Toonsy. And then Jake. So it took a couple days for us to get here, but we are at Henderson State Park in beautiful Destin, Florida. I got sunburned today. We can walk to the beach from our campsite. It's in the 60s and sunny. But anyway, I wanted to show you kind of what we're cooking for our first dinner at our new campsite. We had to get a new grill because we kind of wore out the other one. So we went to the old Walmart and got it. But we have jalapeno poppers, and we got this new jalapeno popper cooker that sits on top of your grill. And Dawn wanted to try it, so I cleaned out some jalapeno poppers and I filled it with cream cheese, a little bit of hot horseradish, cayenne pepper, Himalayan or kosher salt, black pepper, a little bit of paprika, and I mixed it all up, and some shredded cheese. I don't have a lot of food right now because we had to eat what we had so we could travel and not spoil any food. So I still kind of gotta get my staple stuff back, but that's what I had. So anyway. We got ribs and we have poppers going. My jalapenos were too big because normally they sit up. They sit up. So here we go. So normally they sit up, but they fell over. Yes, I have moved to Florida for a little while, Miss Jennifer. Yes. So we will actually be here for 6 months. So we have decided it is time to pick up and go. After 10 years in the fire service, I hung up my helmet. I was ready to do it. Been ready to do it actually for about a year, but it wasn't the right time. So I still have all my certifications and everything's fine. But as far as a career firefighter, I have hung up my helmet, and I feel like I have other areas that I can serve better rather than just on your worst day. So anyway, I'm excited. We're excited. We're going to start doing some stuff that we've been wanting to do but haven't been able to do. You know, a lot of it is we had a kids raised, and she's off doing her own thing. She's got her own stuff going. So anyway, this is our opportunity to kind of pick up and go. We're in the best place to do it, best situation. We're healthy and everything else. So anyway, I'm hoping I'm going to be able to do more videos because now I'm going to have a lot more time. And I have some other things I've been working on that I want to be able to do full-time instead of part-time. So that is the deal. So you just moved from Panama City Beach, Florida. Yeah, you're not. Yep, Panama City Beach isn't very far. I think they got hit pretty hard with a hurricane. That area did. So anyway, so I was just going to pop on and say hi. We're going to eat some dinner. Jake's chilling. There's old Jake. I'm very surprised how well they handled this location, relocating, because we've never done that before. That was kind of the first. So I'll tell you a story later about the cat. I'm not going to do it on this video, but I'll tell you the story later of our cat. He traveled the first 200 miles of this thing. We couldn't find him. We had an idea where he was, but I'll tell you that story later. But he survived. You guys usually don't see the cat too much, but he's out today. He loves it. There he is. There he is. So anyway, you guys have a good night. Jalapeno poppers are good. Ribs are good. We're going to enjoy this beautiful Florida night. And we will catch you all later.